njoba sonjalo sithi ke bayede wena wendlovu wena lo hlanga lomhlabathi wena kabhejana phuma eqiweni kade bekuvalele unesibindi ibuthelezi okhuthazela umuntu akandaba bemthuka bemcofula bethi usolithini akubonisa hayi bankosi kanti bamgqoba ngamafutha ephepho ngiyakuthi kwabalandela usodidase inkonyane ethi kandaba edithe ngembala nani magundane alele ekhethweni kwanongoma nani magundane alele ekhotheni kwanongoma niphumani ngeindlela zonke nibikela abangakezwa ukuthi igula likagcama lichithekile lichithwe ingolendala ngiyakuthi kamalandela nganza kwethu silapho kwiBhinqa Nation podcast asidlali la sigcina umlando wethu ngoba this network i-Podcast and Chill Network is a network that is #1 in Africa and the top 5 in the globe. And we want to push it to make sure that it's become #1. As a Zulu Kingdom, as a Bhinqa Nation, we are the #1 people and that are rooted and cultural, that were the reason of why who is Africa. And then, njoba silapha nje nganza kwethu, sibambisana kakhulu nomfowethu uMacG, lamhlanje ke sinama guest amahle kakhulu aphakathi kwethu, sizokhuluma sidingide, sibonisane, sivumelane, siphikisane kube mnandi nganza kwethu ngoba sakhe isizwe sawuphoko nomagebe sithi hlangana mhlathi yazwanayo sithi umAfrika nomAfrika akabe munye kodwa hayi la thina sikhuluma ngabakithi la eSouth Africa
yodwa
hayi la okokuqala ke nje ngifuna ukwenza nganza kwethu ukunikeza nje dadewethu Pinky kubingelele nabafowethu abakhona babingelele
sanibonani emakhaya igama uPinky intombi yenkosi Shange yimi lo uMiss Bhinqa Nation namhlanje siphethe amagusto she said I'm so excited everybody you better sit down and don't go away stay tuned here follow us podcast until Pinky_Smallest24 Erekitse sebaka se le nna ke le dumedishe mo gae ke nna Tebogo wa ga Mahlela ke setlogolo sa Matebele Makonkwana a hloka kgomo a ja motho ba re Matebele se magwa se tla lebisi gamporoko dikomorwetla wa botibudi ya tlo wa bo mavulaga to gena ovulela ntlo le swele a se mohlolo bo bua bo sirita morwa Mahlela erekitse baditi mangitsi erekitse baditi ke ra gore ngizomala okay full stop asichaba didi
umshabala didi
ngisho ukuthi ngimala
umshabala didi mfoka ndabandawo
ikutshukutshu bopho umthwalo uhambe khathide kude kwanongoma yakhe indaba okhonza imbuku eThekwini muhle wena khathide ngoba uyancwadi imbuka lincwadi leyajwa kuzisa ivoti amantombazana engabe nishikizela nje bese nizwilele indaba ukuthi iphatha nini ngilapha estudio iBhinqa Nation ngibizo uMacingwane ngiyakhuleka ebakhosini onke ngiyakhuleka kwindlula mithi yamakhosi ngiyakhuleka konga ngokujula kolwandle ngiyakhuleka kulononga ngeintaba zakhe zonke sithi bayede indaba ezitha ngiyathokoza kakhulu Macingwane ngibingelele kakhulu ngenhlonipho kubaba oseduze kwami ubaba Penny ngibingelele kubabukeli bethu bonke emakhaya
siwabukele baba
ahe
mina Mchangani Mtsonga ochaba kutsongola xa munhu mtukulu wa Ngungunyani swihluka swa Ngungunyani
ngungu
Ngungunyana phela abakithi phela
ninga chava ku tivitana Mchangani Mtsonga hikuva ni xikwembu xi nyike ririmi rero Ngungunyani so Shangani i van'we na maZulu i vafuwethu a ku na lexi nga hi hambanisa hi vanhu van'we se ni la ka Bhinqa what vala ku Bhinqa Nation swi vula ku ri i program ya misava hinkwayo ya South Africa se lani tele ku vumbana hi va xilo xin'we namuntlha ka ha ri na Mchangani a ka ha ri na Mzulu hi van'we we are one ahe
isaka sakheke uthi baba Penny isaka sakheke ubaba okhona phakathi kwethu kodwa ke ngokonhlonipho yakithi mfoka ndabandaba nawe Tebogo Pinky uzongivumela ukuthi njengomntwana ukhuliseke kahle bengicela uqala kubaba ukuthi nini kwaba na ukulumela kwamagama esikhathini la uMalema ethuze eThekwini lo mfana lo ongahloniphi umuntu ongazimuntu uMalema ngasho wathi mina akahamba ele ngakubo esisheho alayisha amashangana ngakubo ayele ayekwenza imbizo khona uzofunani kwaZulu ngasho kanjalo wangenelela ubaba uPapapeni washo wathi you touch shangane as you touch me yabo wakhuluma uBapapeni unelungelo lokumdala lokungithethisa mangumntwana bakhona la ngibhede khona kodwa mina njengomntwana ukhuliseke kahle kwelakithi kulengabade nonguma-Afrika anginalo ilungelo lokuphendulana nobaba ongizalayo esidlangalaleni ngicela ukuthi ubaba uPapapeni ngaphambi siqhubeke by anything ngicela ukuthi to humble myself and apologize to you. You are my father and you are the legendary of music and you are the historian of the Nsonga culture and you have been with you quite few years since I've been with SAPC and Roots SAPC 1. The unifier is within my blood and because in the Roots show I was a presenter with Tebogo Mashayela from Limpopo. We got different cultures. Sinama cultures ahlukene where we present and then sikwazi uhamba siye lengisho khona le kumavenda siyodla mashongololo lawa thina sathi uthi icabcaba idloko kodwa sasiya lena sifike sidla amasolonje sathi icabcaba sabekezela ngoba yini nasilela ubunye kodwa ke njengamanje ngifuna nje ukuyihumblisha baba ngithi ngiyaxolisa kakhulu la kwalumela khona. You are my father and you are the icon of the
Oh, that is so sweet. This is a moment. This is a moment. Yes.
bese welcome to the Pingane.
Welcome. Welcome.
Ngibhinga namhla.
Sesingaqala ke baba kodwa baba kubalekile ukuthi we unify the nation sihlanganise isizwe ngoba baba nami ngiyengizwe baba ngoba phela sengixolisile manje soqala phansi siqangqabanesha ke manje siyakhala ke manje sizophikisana baba sivumelane kusazoba uPetuza la kaBhedu akukho futhi okunye.
Okay,
seyisukile ke manje.
Okay
yabo seyisukile baba ngithi baba ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi njengoba nje uba sithi sihlanganise isizwe sawuphunga nomageba senkashana kamezi yaphuza umlasa kameva siyinto eyodwa la eNingizimu Afrika. Our government from the dawn of democracy, Nelson Mandela, they failed to unite us, even with a Western race. Amabhunu, abantu bahlulekile kusiunify. So it's high time, Baba Papapeni, yokuthi we forget about politics. Politicians have failed us. This is their self-enrichment. Only civil organization and cultural gathering like abafowethu ophakela umthakathi udadewethu Jacinta Ngobese and myself ongizwe Mchunu lokho masihlangana Baba Papapeni we can rebalate this country singalishintsha lelizwe libe into eyodwa sihloniphana ngoba culture ngoba uhulumeni usithanda si divided ngoba once we united we're going to be more powerful than anything that any person can ever see in this country. If you look at an historical moment sinomfowethu undabandaba nensizwa ekesisuka kona ngoma isisuka eThekwini ekesisuka yonke indawo zizokwazi ukuthi sahamba saya kuGombo ku city of uGombo la kwahlangana khona umXhosa nomZulu baba vele bengabandawonye njengoba nobaba Papapeni esho ngithi baba njengamanje sisesikhathini esijulileyo sikubonile uyikhansela likaKhongolose le sikubonile manje uyimember of parliament National Assembly kwi-MK konke lokho siyakwamukela sikubonile umculi uunify izizwe uthini uma izwe lethu lonakala kanje futhi lonakala kakhulu ngabantu ongesibona balelizwe.
What I can say to you guys, I'm happy today because your apology is not for me, it's for the entire Tsonga Shangani, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, South Africa, Swaziland. This you are apologizing to them. Nyachabula, Nakensa, Shinene. Mwina mibona kunamutla is a peace amongst us as 11 language in South Africa. We are one. Koloba ka hina namutla ihlanganini ita hlanganisa hina hinkwenu. Nakuru, where are we come from? We have to know where are we come from and where are we going. Because these things of tribalism is created by the apartheid. Then we adopt apartheid to bring it in the ourselves, fighting ourselves as a tribalism. Today we must end this because we are wasting the time.
Yes.
Ukuthi silwe sodwa sikhohle ukuthi abaphi abantu fanele sibalwise. Because now we are focusing to chase our black people. Yes, it's okay. But I never see Ibinga or anybody marching for the white people. From today, I see again Gulwa Sota Bafet. Let's face the truth. We are the one who receive these people, put them in the village. Give them our little spaza, like we don't know what we are doing. Sibanikeza my business emizini yethu for 32 years. Why I'm saying 32 years? I'm 32 years in the music.
Wow.
They started 1994 democracy. I started 1994 to record, to be artist.
Wow.
Mina Mankula, my ID by Palo Shangan. I take ID 1977.
Oh.
Ipalo Shangan. All over is the Shangan. Shangan means so Shangan. The Tonga land that we have in KZN is us. Tonga Tonga into one. Shangan is the umbrella of everyone. When I'm Kuluma Fanagit, you born 1980. I'm 65 years now. Mauti mina. Isitsonga ishanga sithi mina. Ngiyahamba nafamba. Izolo, tolo. AmaSwati. Singabantu be-one. AmaZulu, we are one. AmaNdebele, we are one. AmaXhosa, we are one. Labantu bahlukanisa ngempi kaShaka Zulu. You must do understand that we're from KZN in the Tonga land. That's why we call it Tonga. Who changed the Tonga land language is our Prime Minister Ntsanwisi. He said Tonga, but we are Tonga.
Amathonga.
Singamathonga.
Okay.
Into Shangan, it was just a keep shot. We've been keep shot in the surname of Soshangan Unumalo.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Umuntu nomuntu mabaleka to be captured by Shaka Zulu ukuthi bawele phakathi kwe-surname of Zulu. Abaleka athi mina ngiyinkosi. Ngeke ngiwele phakathi kweZulu. Ngoba sonke singabanguni. You are Ngunis. We respect that. But who divided us? It's not us now. It's them. Wempi kaShaka Zulu. Umzilikazi wabaleka athi ngeke mina ngiwele phakathi kweZulu name. Umswazi wabaleka ngeke ngiwele kuZulu. Soshangan wabaleka. Manje yonke lento le sibantu beyi-one. Let's try to fight the reality.